Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new folder in Yahoo Mail step by step. Creating folders helps you organize your emails, making it easier to keep your inbox clean and quickly find important messages. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Yahoo Mail. Sign in to your Yahoo account if you haven't already. Once you're in your inbox, look at the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down until you see the Folders section. Click the Add icon or the New Folder option next to Folders. A small window will appear asking you to enter a folder name. Type the name you want for your new folder. For example, you can create folders for work, personal, receipts, or any category you prefer. After entering the folder name, click Save or press Enter on your keyboard. Your new folder will now appear under the Folders section. To move emails into the folder, select one or more messages in your inbox, then click the Move button at the top of the page. Choose the folder you just created from the list. The selected emails will be moved into that folder. You can create as many folders as you need to better organize your Yahoo Mail account. And that's it. You've successfully created a new folder in Yahoo Mail. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Yahoo Mail tutorials, email tips, and productivity guides. See you in the next video.